Hyundai Motor India has seen great victories and glorious landmarks in the last 25 years.
Over the years, we tweaked this philosophy to keep our designs universally appealing and progressive. We now aim to evolve and adapt to the future with renewed passion and ferocity. One thing is for certain, our journey into the future will be all about intelligent technology, inspiring innovation and sustainability.
Our vision of future mobility, it's a strong commitment not only to the customer but also to the society overall. As a globally responsible brand for sustainability, Hyundai Motor India has always been giving importance to the sustainable way of manufacturing and also way beyond, making sure that the sustainability is there not only for the customers, also for the environment henceforth. Our manufacturing plant in Sriperumbudur near Chennai is one of the greatest example of green manufacturing. 89% of the energy source which are being used is coming from the renewable source. The 100% of the power supply, the lighting system is coming from LED. 33% of our plant is of green, which is consisting of 21,000 plants planted all around. We connected interplant together and we built 6 different ponds. And by 2025, we wanted to go with zero dependency on external source. At Hyundai, we continue to develop technologies. The technologies which are future ready, the technology which are advanced, which are smart to enhance the customer experience and also to enhance the lifestyle of the products. For instance, we give a connected solutions through our flagship technology called BlueLink technology, which offers as high as 8 different models of our company and 60 plus variants of options in that. Hyundai Motor India has always been an epicenter of innovation in the entire automotive landscape by evolving from an automotive vehicle manufacturing to the smart mobility solution provider with the digital technologies of more than 5,000 makes the world's best car manufactured from this plant. So this is the mantra of Hyundai's innovation story, which makes our automotive industry landscape as a big one. We would like to continue this story of excellence, taking the customers beyond mobility.
Hyundai Motors India is becoming a smart mobility solutions provider and is not just a car company anymore. And all this is happening today, not tomorrow. Because tomorrow is a decade of innovation. Tomorrow is the cusp of progress. Hyundai is all set to embark on this voyage, a voyage that goes beyond mobility.